Hi, everybody. Lois Threlkeld here with Cindy.
Oh, sorry.
Doing notes. She does notes.
I'm a note person.
And what does that mean, notes?
So I buy the debt on mortgage notes, and I hold the property, or I should say the real estate, is actually collateral to the loan. So I actually buy the paper and let somebody fix and flip the paper, and let somebody else deal with the fix and flip of the real estate.
So you don't have a lot of hands-on fleas to step into on the carpet?
Exactly, no cockroaches, nothing like that. I don't have to deal with toilets, tenants, and termites, so it's nice. It's a way for investors to make passive income without having to deal with the tenants, termites, and toilets, and also another way for fix and flippers to make nice chunks of money. So it's like just by fix and flipping the paper.
That is awesome, dealing with paper instead of actual
Real estate.
land and houses.
So it's an exciting time right now with the bank crisis and everything. They really need the secondary market to come in. I'm doing a lot more origination of paper and mortgages through tools like seller financing, and that's what I'm doing here today at the Prosperity Through Real Estate event this Saturday, is learning more about creative financing, specifically seller financing. So it's a great event. Lois is here with me.
So Cindy, thank you so much. Do you have a website, or how do people contact you?
Yes, it's like, my name is Cindy Coleman. It's cjcpropertysolutions.com. My email is cindy@cjcpropertysolutions.com. And, send me an email. You can visit me anytime.
That's so awesome.
Yes.
Thank you, Cindy, for all the information. And yeah, I'd love to learn more about you. Take care.
Very interesting. Take care. Bye.
And you got to visit us. We're at ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and see you soon. Happy investing.
Yes.
In notes.